Hello, everyone. Welcome to JD's channel. Today, I would like to share with you about Chinese blue and white porcelain. Blue and white porcelain is a type of Chinese ceramics that is famous for its unique blue and white patterns. Here is a detailed history and background of blue and white porcelain. 1. Origins. The origins of blue and white porcelain can be traced back to the Tang dynasty, 618 to 907, when Chinese ceramics were mainly painted under the glaze. However, true blue and white porcelain first appeared in the Song dynasty, 960-1279. 2. Song dynasty blue and white porcelain. Blue and white porcelain from the Song dynasty is known for its simple and unadorned style. The process of making blue and white porcelain involved painting patterns on white ceramic ware and then applying blue pigment on top of the glaze, followed by high-temperature firing. Blue and white porcelain in the Song dynasty came in various forms, including vases, bowls, and plates. 3. Yuan dynasty blue and white porcelain. The Yuan dynasty, 1279 to 1368, was an important period for the development of blue and white porcelain. The technical craftsmanship of blue and white porcelain during the Yuan dynasty became more exquisite, and the patterns became more diverse. Large-scale objects such as large plates and jars dominated blue and white porcelain in this period. Persian and Arabic ceramics also influenced blue and white porcelain during this time, leading to the emergence of more patterns featuring sunflowers, seashells, and dragon motifs. 4. Ming dynasty blue and white porcelain. The Ming dynasty, 1368 to 1644, was one of the most splendid periods in Chinese ceramic history. Blue and white porcelain from the Ming dynasty reached its pinnacle in terms of craftsmanship and pattern design. Ming blue and white porcelain was widely exported to various parts of the world and became an important commodity in China's foreign trade at that time. The characteristics of Ming blue and white porcelain included smooth lines, vibrant colors, and a wide range of themes such as flowers, figures, and landscapes. 5. Qing dynasty blue and white porcelain. Blue and white porcelain during the Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912, inherited the traditional techniques from the Ming dynasty while also experiencing some new developments. The patterns of Qing blue and white porcelain became more delicate and exquisite, incorporating some elements of Western style. Modern blue and white porcelain. With the development of modern industrial technology, the production methods of blue and white porcelain underwent transformation. Traditional handcraft gradually gave way to mechanization and industrialization. The production volume of modern blue and white porcelain significantly increased, but the quality and delicacy of craftsmanship somewhat declined. International influence of blue and white porcelain. Blue and white porcelain is one of the representatives of Chinese ceramic art, and its influence extends beyond China's borders to various parts of the world. During the Ming and Qing dynasties from the 14th to the 17th centuries, blue and white porcelain became an important commodity in international trade, particularly favored by European nobility and the Middle East. The style and patterns of blue and white porcelain also had a profound impact on later European ceramic art. Characteristics of blue and white porcelain. The most prominent characteristic of blue and white porcelain is its blue and white patterns. Blue and white porcelain typically features a blue color as the main hue, with patterns depicting plants, flowers, figures, landscapes, and auspicious motifs. The production process of blue and white porcelain involves multiple steps, including shaping the porcelain body, painting the patterns, glazing, and firing. In summary, blue and white porcelain is a treasure of Chinese ceramic art with a long history and exquisite craftsmanship. It not only showcases the high achievements of ancient Chinese ceramic art but also serves as an important symbol of Chinese cultural tradition and international cultural exchange. The beauty and value of blue and white porcelain make it a sought-after treasure for collectors and art enthusiasts worldwide. The main components of materials used in the production of Chinese blue and white porcelain include the following aspects. 1. Porcelain clay. Porcelain clay is one of the fundamental materials for making ceramics. It is a special soil composed of clay minerals. Porcelain clay is characterized by a high proportion of kaolin, which is rich in aluminum silicate. It possesses good plasticity and high-temperature resistance, making it suitable for making porcelain. 2. Porcelain stone. Porcelain stone is another important raw material. It is a powder obtained by crushing and grinding rocks containing a high concentration of aluminum silicate minerals. The main components of porcelain stone are feldspar and quartz, which provide the necessary elements of silicon and aluminum for porcelain and melt at high temperatures to form the foundation of ceramics. 3. Glaze. Glaze is a material used for surface protection and decoration of ceramics, creating a smooth and durable glazed surface. In the production of blue and white porcelain, the glaze is usually prepared by mixing boracic acid, quartz, white lead, and silica, among others. The selection and formula of glaze have a significant impact on the appearance and texture of the porcelain. 4. Pigments. The most famous feature of blue and white porcelain is its blue patterns. The blue pigments used are typically made from metal oxides such as cobalt oxide and copper oxide, mixed and ground with substances like potassium nitrate. These pigments can create unique blue patterns on the surface of the porcelain during the firing process. 5. Firing agents. Firing agents are essential components that facilitate the sintering and shaping of ceramics at high temperatures. In the firing process of blue and white porcelain, commonly used firing agents include materials like quartz sand and feldspar, which provide the necessary fluxing agents and fluidity for the porcelain to sinter at high temperatures. 6. Formulas and additives. In the production process of blue and white porcelain, certain additives and formulas are often added to adjust the properties and characteristics of the ceramics. For example, auxiliary agents may be added to improve the plasticity and malleability of the porcelain clay. Or crack inhibitors may be added to reduce shrinkage and cracking during firing. 7. High-temperature firing. To create high-quality blue and white porcelain, the formed ceramics need to undergo high-temperature firing in a kiln. The firing temperature generally ranges from 1,200 degrees Celsius to 1,400 degrees Celsius, with specific adjustments based on the type and design of the ceramics. At high temperatures, the materials in the porcelain undergo melting and flow, resulting in the formation of a durable ceramic structure. In general, the materials used in the production of Chinese blue and white porcelain include clay, porcelain stone, glaze, pigments, as well as various formulations and additives. The selection and use of these materials are adjusted based on the type of ceramics, style, and production techniques. While high-temperature firing is a key step in blending these material components together to form unique blue and white porcelain pieces, the firing process of Chinese blue and white porcelain is a traditional craft with a long history and unique techniques. By selecting appropriate materials, applying meticulous glazing, and controlling factors such as temperature and atmosphere, craftsmen are able to create exquisite blue and white porcelain works, showcasing the excellence of Chinese ceramic art. The production process of blue and white porcelain is an art that requires carefulness and patience, combining elements of science and art, and it has become an important representative of Chinese culture. The following is the status and value of Chinese blue and white porcelain in world culture. 1. Artistic value. Chinese blue and white porcelain is renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship and unique artistic style. The delicate patterns of blue designs on porcelain showcase the talent and creativity of ancient Chinese artists. These art pieces not only possess aesthetic beauty but also reflect Chinese culture, tradition, and history. 2. Cultural value. Chinese blue and white porcelain carries rich cultural connotations and historical stories. It represents the outstanding achievements of ancient Chinese ceramic craftsmanship and is one of the representatives of traditional Chinese ceramics. Blue and white porcelain reached its peak during the Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, becoming precious collectibles of the imperial court and nobility, as well as an important commodity in China's trade with the world. 3. Historical value. Chinese blue and white porcelain hold significant importance in world history. It serves as an important medium for China's foreign exchange and cultural interactions. Through the Silk Road and Maritime Silk Road, blue and white porcelain was exported to Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and other regions, becoming treasures sought after by nobility and collectors worldwide. 4. Collectible value. Chinese blue and white porcelain has high value as an art collectible. Due to its uniqueness and rarity, it possesses high collectible and investment value. Outstanding blue and white porcelain works often command astonishing prices in the auction market, making them sought after by collectors and investors. 5. Museums and exhibitions. Museums and art institutions with worldwide house collections of Chinese blue and white porcelain showcases its cultural and artistic significance. These institutions organize exhibitions and displays to introduce and promote the beauty and historical importance of blue and white porcelain to a wider audience. Some world-famous museums and institutions, such as the British Museum, the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, and the Palace Museum, have extensive collections of Chinese blue and white porcelain. These collections include blue and white porcelain works from different periods, styles, and themes, allowing people to appreciate the diversity and evolution of Chinese ceramic art. In summary, Chinese blue and white porcelain, as an important representative of traditional Chinese ceramic art, holds a significant position in world culture. Its artistic value, cultural value, historical value, and value as collectibles make Chinese blue and white porcelain treasures sought after by museums and collectors worldwide. At the same time, it enriches the diversity of world culture and artistic heritage. That concludes today's sharing. Thank you all for watching.